It's been one of those days, yeah. But not my normal mess. I got this big huge band-aid on my face, and you know, I just want to report a case of child abuse, and not an adult abusing a child abusing an adult. Okay, I got this because Eryn threw a Pokemon toy. So the audio was super trash because I turned on the water, but basically I was telling you guys that Eryn hit me with the Pokemon toy. That's why I have that scratch, and our stove was not working because our landlord is crap. So right here I'm showing you guys that we got a single burner, which we didn't even know existed. You plug it in, you let it heat up, and bam, that's how you cook. So that's how I'm going to be cooking dinner this night. And yeah, I know y'all seen this before. So what I'm making tonight is tacos, super easy. So I'm gonna cut up, you know, the tomatoes and all that stuff. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna get everything prepared, which is basically preparing it for the kids. Just want like the meat and the cheese and the tortilla. So yeah. Let's make Saturday night dinner. So I went ahead and put it in some white wine vinegar and just did like a teaspoon of sugar, added some water, and so that's pickled, like a quick pickle. Once I figured that out, I was like, ooh, okay, I can deal with onions. I like them pickled. But this is going actually in the skillet to be cooked with the meat. So that's why I have so much of that. Exactly what type of tacos I'm making. I'm making diced pork carnita tacos. We don't usually eat pork, but I've been really craving some pork tacos. So that is what which is basically sour cream and lime juice squeezed into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this lime juice in there. Stir it up. And also, I asked the kids if they wanted tacos. They said no. What I'm gonna have to end up doing is just making them quesadillas because they love quesadillas. Sometimes they like tacos, sometimes they don't. I'm not taking it personal. They're kids. And I gotta warm my tortillas, but we're ready to finish product. We got our gluten-free tortillas, vegan cheese, vegan cream cheese, which is very expensive, by the way. Like, it's no joke. But, I mean, hey, I gotta do it. Got the kids quesadillas, about to cut them up. We're about to enjoy our dinner. I hope you guys liked our little vlog. And if you like more videos like that, go ahead and comment down below. And I will definitely make more cooking videos. I will see you guys in our next vlog. Hopefully I don't have another injury, band-aid on my face, anything like that. Hopefully I look 10 times better. But we'll definitely see you in our next vlog. Bye.